Hey guys, this is Sheri Ann Richerson from Experimental Homestead or Exotic Gardening, SheriAnnRicherson.com and biannualblogathonbash.com. And I see the question every year of how do you pick cherries without a cherry pitter? So I'm going to show you that today. These are fresh cherries that I just picked from my tree today. And this is going to be really tricky. Yeah, okay, there we go. Okay, so as I said, this is a fresh cherry that I just picked from my tree today. And what you do is you put your hand on either side of the hole where the stem comes out, and you just break it apart. Inside, you will see the seed. Oops. Inside, you will see the seed. It's right there. You're going to take that seed out, which I can't do on camera. I'm sorry. And then this is what the inside of the cherry is going to look like. Now, you want to open this cherry up and you want to look, because sometimes you can find worms inside of cherries, even if they look okay on the outside. It's just one of the things that happens with cherries. Now I'm going to show you something else. This one has, and again, I'm sorry, I'm working in a really tight spot, so I'm trying to show you as best I can, and I know my fingers are getting in the way, but this is a cherry on a stem. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab the stem, I'm going to grab the cherry, and I'm going to give it a little tug. Now that pulled the pit right out, right on the stem. So I'm going to toss that. And then again, I'm going to go right, see that hole? I'm going to go right there to that hole. And I'm going to put my thumbs on either side of it, and I'm going to break it open. I'm going to take a look inside, and I'm going to make sure that the cherry is okay. This one is fine. So that is how you pit a cherry without a cherry pitter. And honestly, even though I have a cherry pitter, I do them all by hand because, as I said, a cherry can look fine on the outside and you can still find a worm up inside of it. I'm going to try to look. I haven't had very many bad cherries this year, but I've had a couple. And so I want to show you what a bad cherry looks like. And this is kind of disgusting if you don't know and have never seen this. So just, if you don't want to see, click off, but otherwise I'm going to show you what you're looking for. And if you see this, I suggest just tossing the cherry. Okay. Can you see that little worm inside of there? It's like literally right there. And that brown stuff. Okay. That cherry is going to get tossed. If you have chickens, just take the pit out of the cherry and give that to the chickens, and they will absolutely love it. So anyway, like I said, that's how you pit a cherry without a cherry pitter. That's what you're looking for inside of the cherry when you break it open. Toss those. You can compost them. I do not compost the pits. I actually, all of the pits, I go ahead and throw away because I don't want them sprouting and growing cherry trees, because they would not be true to the cherry tree that they came off of. So, but any of the fruit, even if it does have the worm in it, I separate that and just toss that out to the chickens. And like I said, great treat for them. Thanks for watching and have a great night.